Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Deepseek AI Assistant application on your phone. First of all, what you have to do is download Deepseek application from your Google Play Store or App Store if you're using iPhone. Once the app has downloaded, what you have to do is click on Open. Now you will see this interface. Now it will ask you to log in into the Deepseek account. You also have an option to sign in with Google. So I will simply click on Sign in with Google. Click on Agree. Now it will automatically create a new account for Deepseek for you. Now once your account has been created, you will land on this page. Now you can straight away use Deepseek AI application. There are multiple options. The first one is Deepseek R1. The second one is the search from internet. So first of all, I will show you what is Deepseek R1 is. It is an AI model from which is just like a ChatGPT with which you can ask many questions, an unlimited amount of questions. I will ask it how many planets are there. I will click on Send button. Now it will use AI model to answer this question. As you can see, it is working 100% fine. Now the second option is the search button. But if you ask me what is the difference between the R1 model and the search button, the primary difference between both of them is that the R1 model is outdated. Because if I ask him which is the latest iPhone, if I click on send, as you can see, it is telling me the answer that the latest iPhone is iPhone 15, which is not correct. But we cannot say that the Deepseek is not good because ChatGPT is also not updated. But if you select the search button, it will only use its AI power to scroll through the internet to get your answers. And it will not give you answers based upon its own intelligence. So in easy words, R1 will use its own intelligence and the search button will give you results based upon what is on the internet. For instance, if I ask what's the latest stock price of Apple today. As you can see, as of my knowledge cutoff in October 2023, so I cannot provide real-time stock prices. But if I click on the search button and give it same prompt, as you can see, it is easily giving me the latest stock prices of Apple. Found 39 results. If I click on it, and it will show me all the sources from which it is getting its answers. So if you click on there, you will see all of your chats. If you click on this plus button, it will open a new chat and it will save all of your previous chats over here. And that's basically how to use Deepseek AI Assistant application. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.